and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. So in this video I'm going to do a quick review on this TP-Link N300 Wi-Fi range extender. Usually these range extenders have two functionality. The first one, as the name suggests, like if you have areas in your home that don't have enough Wi-Fi coverage, you can just buy one of these, and then it just takes the Wi-Fi waves and reinforces and puts it out, so it just extends the range of your Wi-Fi. Now the other functionality which I was looking for was to convert my Wi-Fi into like wireless or Wi-Fi internet into wired internet. As you can see, it's an Ethernet cable. Okay, so this is an Ethernet cable for my workstation. Here's my workstation. The company that I work for requires me to actually have wired internet, and that's why. So this is really a great option. I got it from Canada Computers, but you can get it from anywhere you'd like. So this is, as you know, Wi-Fi has like two different like categories. 2.4 gigahertz, which has actually more range and less speed, and 5 gigahertz, which has less range and more speed. Okay, it's always the same, so this remember this equation. So if it is 2.4, it means that you get more range but less download and upload speed. But if it is like 5 gigahertz, you get more download and upload speed and less range. Now this one is actually the 2.4 gigahertz, and I don't really care. I already have nice coverage. As I said, I'm trying to convert my wireless internet into Ethernet. So let me tell you, it's very easy to set up. All you have to do is to plug this near your modem. Right now my modem is not here, and that's why I brought it here. So I don't have any DSL socket in my room, so that's why I had to just get one of these, so I can just bring it here, and I don't need to just relocate my modem, because as I said, there's no DSL outlet here. Anyway, so all you have to do is to plug this for the first time, plug this near your modem. In your modem there is a button called WPS, so you're gonna just hit that button and keep it until the light blinks, and then what you're gonna want to do is to just hit this button for 1 second and release. So they will communicate with each other, and this thing will create a network with this with the exact same name plus underscore ext and the same password. So you will be able to see it under your Wi-Fi, whether you're actually searching with your cell phone or any other computer, and that's how you can connect to your Wi-Fi extender. Okay, it creates exactly the same network with the same password, but with plus underscore ext. So remember, as I said, it's very easy, and if you want to have access to its settings, all you have to do is to first connect to that network after just pairing it with your modem the way I said, with the WPS button, and then you're going to want to go to TP-Link-Repeater.net in your whether it's your cell phone or any other computer that is connected to it, and then there you have to create a password, and after you create a password, it lets you in, and then you can change the name of the of your network, of your extended network, or you can change the password, or you can add other networks, or you can just use this as a access actually what they call hotspot. So you can just, if you have like wired internet, you can just do the exact vice versa. You can also just turn your wired internet into wireless. So this thing is very useful. So let me show you. These are the lights for the Wi-Fi strength. This, as you can see, is let me see. So this is for the repeater, as I said. This is for wireless, this is for power, and this is for Ethernet, which, as you can see, I'm using it. Okay, you can also turn the LEDs off, or for example at night when you're sleeping, you give it the hours. For example, from 10 to 7, it will turn the LEDs off based on your settings, and you can do so many other things in that website. And also, if that TP-Link Repeater.net does not work, you can also do this. You can install an app to scan your wireless network. Then afterwards, all you need to do is to scan your wireless network, and you can find the IP address of this extender, and then from there you can just enter the IP address into your browser and go to the same website, because sometimes TP-Link Repeater might not work. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. I really enjoyed this. I haven't tried its range yet, because as I said, I don't really use it for extending the range. But again, for me, this has worked great for turning my wireless network into wired. Thanks again for watching.